Go to Hook Social Login, then Configurations, and click on Google Cloud Console. Enable Apps and Services, then create a project, name the project, and then click Create. Go to Credentials and select your project. Create credentials and choose AF Client ID and configure consent. Click Get Start and click Overview and enter your app name and support email, then click Next. Choose External and click Next again. Enter your email address and click Next. Select the checkbox of Agree to the terms and click Continue, then click Create. Now select Create an AF client. Click Application Type and select Web Application, then enter a name for your AF client. Click Add URL and enter your store's URL. Add another URL, and this time your store's URL again under Authorized Redirect, and then click Create. Copy this client ID and click OK. Go back to Hook Social Login and paste it into Google Client ID. Click on Enable One-Tap Login, then Save. Click Online Store and check Front-End View.